Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix service instances unavailable error in Roblox. So if you're getting this error in Roblox, then here follow the fixes. Now before following any of the fixes, first check the Roblox server status. So you can go to this website or you can also go to Down Detector website. Links are provided in my video description. You can see that there is an issue joining the website. There is a service disruption. I can see that the server status is having some issue. You can also check Down Detector website. Here you can see lots of user has reported the problem. So if their server status is down, having outage or under maintenance, then you can't do anything. You have to wait for their server status to get back online and then you can check. Now if their server status is online and if still you are getting the error, then here follow the fixes. The only fix is download the Roblox from the Microsoft Store. So open Microsoft Store app on your PC. Then here search for a Roblox. And then click on Roblox. And then click on install button. This will install the Roblox on your PC. And it will be Microsoft Store version. And then you can launch the Roblox and check if your problem is fixed or not. Now if you are on the Microsoft version, then download and install Roblox from the official website. So open Chrome. In Chrome, search for download Roblox and open the official website. That is the first result. And then you can download the Roblox from the official website and install it. And then you can go ahead, launch the Roblox and check if your problem is solved or not. So you have to basically switch the Roblox version. If you have downloaded the Roblox from official site, then download the Roblox from Microsoft Store and then check. And if you already have Microsoft Store version of the Roblox, then download and install Roblox from the official website and then check. So I hope by following these fixes you can easily solve service instances unavailable error in Roblox. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.